Have you ever looked at someone and thought, there's no way they're over 80? You know that feeling, right? That sense of awe and wonder, like time itself has taken a detour. Well, get ready to be amazed, because today we're meeting a woman who embodies that very feeling. This is Annette Larkins, and at 81 years young, she's redefining what it means to age gracefully. Known around the world for her glowing skin, boundless energy, and a zest for life that could put most 20-year-olds to shame, Annette has become a beacon of hope and inspiration. But what's her secret? What are the pearls of wisdom she's discovered on her journey to extraordinary health and longevity? Let's dive deep into the life and habits of this remarkable woman. Maybe, just maybe, we'll uncover the secrets to unlocking our own fountain of youth. One of the cornerstones of Annette's extraordinary health is her deep connection to the earth and the nourishment it provides. For decades, she's embraced a raw, vegan lifestyle, a way of eating that goes beyond simple nutrition and becomes a way of life. Imagine a plate filled with the colors of the rainbow, vibrant fruits, leafy greens, hearty nuts and seeds, and sprouted grains. That's the essence of Annette's diet, a celebration of nature's bounty, all unprocessed, uncooked, and brimming with life force. But Annette doesn't stop there. She takes her commitment to fresh, organic food a step further by growing much of it herself. Her backyard garden is a testament to her belief in the power of nature to heal and nourish, and the results speak for themselves. Her skin glows with vitality, her eyes sparkle with energy, and her spirit radiates a youthful joy that's contagious. Annette's story teaches us the profound impact our food choices have on our health and longevity. So, the next time you sit down to a meal, ask yourself, what would Annette do? Now, you might think that someone with Annette's youthful energy spends hours in the gym pushing themselves to the limit. But that couldn't be further from the truth. Annette's approach to fitness is all about listening to her body, moving with joy, and embracing the simple pleasures of an active life. You won't find her sweating on a treadmill or lifting heavy weights. Instead, she finds movement in the everyday, taking brisk walks in nature, feeling the sun on her skin and breathing in the fresh air. She stretches regularly, keeping her body supple and her joints limber, and she enjoys gentle forms of exercise like yoga. For Annette, movement isn't about punishment or pushing herself to the extreme. It's about honoring her body, staying connected to her physical self, and experiencing the joy of movement. At 81, she has the energy and stamina of people half her age. True fitness isn't about expensive gym memberships or grueling workouts. It's about finding ways to move your body that you genuinely enjoy. Now, we've talked about Annette's incredible diet and her active lifestyle, but there's another crucial ingredient to her youthful radiance: her unwavering commitment to mental and emotional well-being. Annette understands that true health goes beyond the physical. It's about nurturing our minds, cultivating inner peace, and finding joy in the simple moments. She prioritizes her mental health just as much as her physical health, and it shows. Her eyes sparkle with a quiet joy, her smile radiates warmth and kindness, and her energy is both calming and uplifting. Annette is a firm believer in the power of mindfulness, meditation, and deep breathing. She carves out time each day to quiet her mind, connect with her inner self, and cultivate a sense of peace that permeates every aspect of her life. She understands that stress, worry, and negativity can take a toll on our health, both physically and emotionally. Studies have shown that meditation can reduce stress hormones, improve sleep quality, boost the immune system, and even protect our brains from age-related decline. We become more patient, more compassionate, and more resilient in the face of life's challenges. And that, my friends, is a recipe for a long, healthy, and joyful life. Chapter 4. Nature's Pharmacy, Embracing the Healing Power of Plants. Now, we've all been there. A sniffle turns into a cough. A headache lingers, and our first instinct is often to reach for the medicine cabinet. But Annette takes a different approach. She turns to nature's pharmacy. Long before there were pills and potions, there were plants with powerful healing properties. Annette believes in harnessing the power of these natural remedies, incorporating them into her daily routine to support her health and vitality. From the anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric to the immune-boosting benefits of elderberry and the soothing qualities of chamomile, Annette has a natural remedy for almost everything. Annette is not advocating for self-medication, but encourages us to explore the world of natural remedies. Her own experience has taught her that nature often holds the key to preventing and easing health concerns. You might be surprised by the power of nature to heal and restore. Chapter 5. The Power of Prevention, Staying Ahead of the Game. You know the old saying, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure? Well, Annette Larkins is living proof of that wisdom. She understands that true health isn't just about reacting to illness. It's about proactively taking care of our bodies and staying one step ahead of potential health problems. Annette is a firm believer in the power of preventive care. She never skips her annual checkups. She's diligent about getting her screenings, and she stays informed about her health numbers. To her, these aren't just appointments to check off a list. They're opportunities to connect with her health, understand her body, and catch any potential issues early on. It's about being proactive, not reactive. And this proactive approach has undoubtedly contributed to her long, healthy life. Your future self will thank you. Chapter 6. The Gift of Rest, Recharging for a Vibrant Life. In our fast-paced, always-on world, sleep often gets pushed aside. We wear our busyness as a badge of honor, sacrificing rest and rejuvenation in the name of productivity. But Annette Larkins understands that sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Just as we wouldn't neglect to fuel our bodies with nourishing food or to move our bodies to stay strong and flexible, we can't neglect the importance of sleep. It's during this sacred time that our bodies and minds truly heal, repair and recharge. Annette prioritizes sleep, consistently getting 7 to 8 hours of quality rest each night. She knows that this time is crucial for her body to detoxify, for her cells to regenerate, and for her mind to process the day's events and prepare for the day ahead. Countless studies have shown the profound impact sleep has on our physical and mental well-being. Annette's commitment to sleep is a powerful reminder that rest is not a sign of weakness, it's a sign of strength. Your body and mind will thank you. Chapter 7. The Power of Connection, Living a Life of Purpose. When we think about longevity and living a long, healthy life, we often focus on diet, exercise, and lifestyle choices. But there's another crucial piece of the puzzle that often gets overlooked, the power of connection and purpose. Annette Larkins, in all her wisdom and radiance, understands that true fulfillment and longevity come not just from taking care of ourselves physically, but also from nurturing our social connections and living a life that feels meaningful. Despite her age, Annette is far from slowing down. She's deeply involved in her community, sharing her story, inspiring others to embrace a healthier lifestyle, and connecting with people from all walks of life. Finding your purpose and connecting with others doesn't have to be about grand gestures. It can be as simple as volunteering your time at a local charity, joining a book club, or simply making an effort to connect with your loved ones on a deeper level. Because at the end of the day, it's those connections, those shared experiences, and that sense of purpose that truly make life worth living. A life well lived is a life rich in connection, purpose, and love. Outro: Unlocking Your Fountain of Youth. Annette Larkins, my dear friends, is living proof that age is just a number. She's a shining example of what's possible when we make conscious choices to support our health, well-being and longevity. Her journey shows us that it's never too late to make a change, to embrace a healthier lifestyle, and to unlock our own fountain of youth. Whether you're just starting your health journey or you're well on your way, remember this: every small step you take, every positive choice you make brings you closer to your goals. Let's take that step together.